right, here. All right, it's going. So, let's see. We got 20-something questions here. I'm just gonna film all over the place. 20. We got 30. 30 questions. So, let's see. First one. What do we got? It's just a derivative. You should know all of the derivative rules. Oh man, do I have to write them all up?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
The product rule, the quotient rule, the power rule, don't look at me rule, power rule, right. So any kind of a derivative, exponential, trig, no sweat. Number 2, related rates. Related rates. It's coming out easy. Number 3, implicit differentiation. What? Right, where you got like multiple variables, x and y, dy, dx, where they're all kind of mixed in there. Alright, so. There's another straight up derivative that I should probably just axe and not put on there, but it's there. Average rate of change. Average rate of change. What's the average rate of change formula thing?
Is that 5 or 4?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm just telling you.
It's like A or B and something like that.
That's right. Perfect.
Yeah.
The average rate of change of something, yes, from A to B is f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. It's the change in the function divided by how long it takes to undergo that change, divided by B minus A.
Is f of B minus f of A on top?
You should just remember it as the total change in the function divided by how long it takes to go through that change. F of B minus f of A over B minus A.
You're making a video.
I'm too busy filming here. I can't afford to open any of these videos.
This is gonna be unedited.
Sure. Should it be? I don't know. No one's going to watch. Okay. Oh no, there's a limit.
No.
All right, I'll take it off.
Really, will you?
No, it's on there. There's a limit.
I think everything.
All right, guaranteed there's going to be at least one of those limits, one of those rational ones where you got to look at the powers like.
We have to do it.
Huh?
With the powers.
Look at the powers, like the top and bottom.
It was infinity, 1 over.
Do you really think you remember the limits?
No. But this one, I don't know, this one's easy to remember. I don't know why nobody ever gets it. It's because you're trying to memorize crap that you should understand, and it's failed over and over and over and over and over again, but you keep on doing it. I don't know. It's tough. So, equation of a tangent line. You gotta know how to find the equation of a tangent line. Ooh, that's tough. You still don't know, but because you try to memorize that too, but it's still tough. Probably gonna get that one wrong. I'm very confident in this. I think. You got to be able to find zeros and things like solve inequalities. Inequalities. Oh no, sign changes. That was from like September. All right, you gotta know how to solve inequalities for things. Yeah. Can you put it up on the projector? If I give you $20. This is what I have to put up with every day. All right. Now I'm filming just you. All right. You have to know how to find an inflection point. Yeah, right. What's in it? Then you have to. Oh man. Wow. You can ask me questions, but she doesn't want to ask me questions. It's December now, so I know I'm not going to get any other questions. When you ask me, you get answers like that, and if not, you can say I don't understand, and then I'll be like, all right, well, allow me to explain further. But sometimes you just don't want to go that route. and you'd rather just ask Schwartz and not get any answer whatsoever. Perfect, that's right. That's the key to success in calculus. Nagging Schwartz. Function, which must be true. One problem that's tough, so you're not going to get that one. Let's see. Yeah, no. I don't know. It's about like geometric reasoning sort of thing. Neither of which you know. Like geometric, no. Reasoning, forget it. You need to know. You will be asked the definition of a derivative as a limit. What's up now? Huh?
It was like just on the side of your ear.
What, going in my ear? Yeah. Sorry. Well, yeah. Sorry. Sorry, everybody. You can make it go in the side of your ear.
Question on our test that's just there for us to not answer, correct?
Huh?
Like,
No. You do have to write a haiku, though. There's going to be a calculus haiku. You have to write a haiku about something.
Is that like for bonus points?
Perhaps, if it's a good haiku. 575.
Oh, yeah.
So, no. See, no. Check it out. I want to make a whole course. Like I want to teach in haiku one day. Like come in. So when you forget something stupid like how to find the max, I'll be like, first derivative test. Look for sign changes on axis. Find positive to negative or something like that, and you'll just be like, I just want to kill myself. Yeah, I just kind of ballparked that one, but was that 575? No. Oh man, I guess I can't count. Go ahead, man, bang out a haiku.
I'm writing one.
it'll take me like a solid couple seconds here.
Record him while this happens.
Yeah, it's a little bit tougher now, isn't it? No, it's got to be of like a derivative test or something like that. Be like, limit x approaches, right? I can't even do it. Don't even worry about it. But you will the limit definition of a derivative.
What's that?
I don't know. Something with x plus h. Look it up.
Wait, limit definition.
Of a derivative.
Okay, thanks.
The limit as h approaches 0. It should be in your notes at least one place somewhere.
Okay, I'll look for it later.
Definition. I'll write it up after the video. After I finish this. It's too hard. What else we got? Rectilinear motion. Oh, you will have to solve things with your calculator too. You'll have to solve maybe one or two things using a calculator. You'll have equations that you just won't be able to do by hand. You got to do it with calculator. Wake up. Snap out of it.
Me?
Yes. 1,000-yard stare, man. You're just staring at the blinds.
I was listening.
You were listening to the blinds. Flapping the breeze. Yes, you were. Solve something with a calculator. Rectilinear motion. So you need to know things like velocity and position. Stuff like that. Chain rule. Chain rule. Still a rule.
Ooh, wait, can we go back to what you said like a minute ago?
What?
Writing my haiku.
The haiku.
No.
Share it.
When I was sleeping, Mr. Kern kept showing math. I did not listen. That's a haiku right there.
That is a haiku. That's a quality haiku. That could have been written by anybody. That's definitely not an original.
I promise you that is.
I'm thinking Jong Hoon was writing that one up, dude. No, maybe not.
Wait, so,
Totally got his head down the entire period. All right. Anyway, you gotta know how to find horizontal tangents. Once again, Schwartz provides no answer.
I didn't ask him a question. He just had a comment.
Ooh, Schwartz makes a comment. Find horizontal tangents. You have to know the difference between continuity and differentiability. What destroys continuity? What destroys differentiability? Destroys it.
The difference between continuity and
Differentiability. Too many syllables.
yeah, how do you spell that?
Sound it out. I'm gonna put that on your comment. You can sound out words like a boss. Really long math words. Differentiability. I shouldn't even have said it.
like a boss,
Like a boss.
handed me a cell phone.
That's not my dad.
So I threw it on the ground.
Anytime someone drops something, that's all I can think of. Something drops, I threw it on the ground.
In this one, in English,
Absolute max. You need to know how to maximize something. Like the first one on the quiz the other day, where I give you just a function and an interval. You have to know how to do it. Check endpoints and critical numbers. Yeah, that's right. But first you have to know what a critical number is. You gotta look that up too, which requires knowing how to do a derivative, which you still don't know. Oh man, this class is tough.
My self-esteem is
if I just
plummeting.
don't show up, it's like, where's the-
You get 100.
Really?
No.
I can't.
Yeah, you get 100. Yeah, that's right. That's the loophole. The exact little-known Lindsley exam loophole. Don't show up, automatic hundo.
No, you just get a 60. That's the lowest I can get.
What do we got? Concavity. Write all that curve sketching stuff. Concave up, concave down, increasing, decreasing. How do you tell when a function is concave down? There you go. Fill this out for me. A function is concave down when its second derivative is negative, or when its first derivative is no.
Decreasing.
Decreasing. Zooming in, baby. We got it. Good for you. It's right. Decreasing. There's another implicit differentiation one. Ooh, there's a factor and cancel limit problem. You'll probably get that right.
Wait, what is it?
Factor and cancel.
We don't know algebra.
Huh? Yeah, I'm sure. You just write. Most of it's multiple choice, but if you just write L, I'll give you like 1/4 point.
Wait, this is multiple choice?
Most of it, yeah.
What?
Say square.
That's scary.
Huh?
It's multiple choice.
It's multiple choice. It's single choice.
So if you get it
Right? It's single choice. You just write all the answers are there. You just have to circle
You
them.
don't need to like write answers.
Only for a couple of them will you have to write answers. Is that?
That's awesome.
Some people love it and some people hate it. And then we get to have this talk about multiple choice versus not. Well, the answer's always there. Yeah, but I don't get any partial credit. Okay, like we know. It is what it is. So
if we get it wrong.
if you get it wrong, yeah, if you get it wrong, you get it wrong. How much do you really like ride on partial credit anyway? Like, are you gonna ride a midterm to like a decent grade? No way.
It's like, well.
Not gonna happen.
9.72
Now I can just say like
pi.
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. Huzzah. You need to know how to sketch a derivative. Ooh, maybe that won't be a multiple choice. Maybe.
Just to be clear, you said huzzah.
Huzzah.
Okay.
Yeah, just to be sure. Glad I could clear that up for you.
That's question 26.
Yeah, that's the one. There will be, alright, so you'll have to know how to sketch a derivative. That'll be a multiple choice one, so you'll have a chance. Right? Right? Isn't that better?
Yeah.
Wouldn't you rather have a bunch of choices than to actually do something with a derivative? See that? I know. I'm always thinking. Whoa, it's cold in here. Somebody's I don't know.
It feels good.
We're all just like suffering in silence on this side of the room.
No, it feels good.
No, it doesn't. It's freezing. Let's see.
Put one back further. Okay.
You have okay.
There's
What's a derivative?
Don't put the slope of the tangent line.
Slope of the tangent line. If you know that, you'll probably get this one question right. Good job.
That's 1 on 30.
So good luck.
1 on 30.
Okay, yeah.
Point guaranteed.
Intermediate value theorem. I know, right? What do all those words mean? I got value, but theorem? No way. Intermediate?
What's the difference between like a theorem and a theory?
Yeah.
A theorem is
Spelling.
a theorem is something that has been proved that follows from something that's assumed to be accepted. Like if you accept X, Y, and Z and you can derive something from assuming those are true, that's called a theorem.
And
A
what's
theory is just what I think is true. which may or may, alright, like the theory of relativity. Just a theory.
You learn something new every day.
Every day, all day, every day in calculus class. So what was the intermediate value theorem? That means like if there's a point like here and there's a point here and it's a continuous function, that the function has to go through all the points intermediate to those. Something like that.
It's not ringing.
No. Well, you're the only one who's going like I have no idea. Everybody else is going.
I'm on Aki's side.
Okay.
You don't know what it
I
is.
swear.
Quotient rule. Uh-oh, getting that one wrong. Quotient rule, forget it. Better study up. Tangents and stuff. You can do tangents and stuff. Ooh, what were the special trig limits? There was one. There was only one that you're going to need to know. There was a special trig limit. What was it? Special trig limit? No, tan.
Sine
It was sine x over x.
equals
As x approaches
0.
0, the limit is
0.
1. Limit is 1. You will need that. Limit as x approaches 0, sine x over x is 1. So then there's a couple more here with being able to spot inflection points and maxes and mins with graphs of stuff, looking for sign changes and all that.
Do you hear that?
No. Who? Who is it?
bunch of
I
cool.
just heard some.
Bunch of cooligans.
They're too
They're so cool. Carolers.
No, it's like
You know what?
Miss Fuchs.
Where's Jewish carolers?
It's Miss Fuchs.
Yeah, really, man.
Honestly, I want to
They're
hear
like
dreidel,
by a
dreidel,
band
dreidel
and they're
once in a
singing
while.
in the band's living room.
They're
They're in a van?
in a van.
They're like
That's
facing
creepy
the
as
van,
hell.
and
If they're
there's a
just
person
driving in a
the
van on the school campus.
But they're gone.
They asking for candy too.
Yeah, I lost my
No,
puppy.
it's
Do you
like
want
on
to come help me find him?
Stalker.
What do you do if like someone says like, "Hey kid, you want some candy?" And the
You
kid
say,
says,
yeah, just toss it to me. Yeah, man, here, what kind do you have?
the kid says, "Hey, I'm diabetic."
Oh, peanut allergy. Yeah. I got a Snickers. Nah, sorry, man, peanut allergy. I gotta go. Which, by the way, did I tell you about that, about the commercial with the peanut allergy? I'm telling you, dude, it's going to happen. Dude, Super Bowl.
What commercial? I've never heard.
It's because you always have your head down and you don't pay attention to anything that goes up. No. The thing was, there has to be some kind of there's got to be some kind of a Snickers commercial where a kid he's got a peanut allergy, but he wants a Snickers so bad that he eats it.
I feel like I don't think it should be Snickers. I think it should be like Reese's.
Yeah.
Snickers
Whatever,
is
like whatever. No,
one
you
that's
missed the
like,
point. Like
you're
it's
not
not about
you're
the
hungry.
product. It's about the idea that you want the product so
No,
bad.
I just don't think
Snickers
it'll
is
do
like,
good with
hey,
Snickers.
Joan,
You don't get Snickers.
Okay, all right. I stand corrected. It was a terrible idea, everybody. Sorry, like I didn't mean to waste your time with that advertising
I
idea.
thoroughly enjoyed
That's a
it.
good idea.
All right, the last couple are knowing what like dy dx means. Just basically slope of a tangent line. Yeah, if dy dx, let's say, suppose dy dx is negative. Yeah, that's a good one. If dy dx is negative, then when x increases, what happens to y? Decreases? 100 on the exam.
Wait, what is it?
What was the question?
That's it. It's over. If dy dx is positive, then when x decreases, y increases. That's it. It means that they both rise together. And that's it. That's your midterm. Then as x goes up,
Why must come down?
y must come down. Are we good? Good?